What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gio, and thank you guys for clicking on this video. For all you newcomers, how you doing? Hope you're having a cool day. And for all you subscribers, I'm sure you got some questions, and I've got some explaining to do. So guys, where have I been for the past 2 months? Well, let me get into that, alright? I just want to start from the bottom up. I know that I made that giant list of things I wanted to do to my E46 330 Ci. I think life has taken me in a separate direction. Hear me out, alright? So pretty much these last 2 months have been really filled with lots of family, lots of school, and lots of work. It's kind of pushed my YouTube mindset to the back burner just a little bit. During the moment, YouTube just wasn't at the top of my list, unfortunately. And I'm hoping that I can change that because I do love making videos for you guys. I love talking about my car.
I love driving my car, I love working on my car.
But most of all, I really love communicating with you guys and putting my videos out there for you guys to enjoy and experience life with me and my car. It really bugs me that I haven't been getting to that list of things I want to do on my car, but it all just boils down to cost and is it worth it? So guys, here's the thing. I bought my E46 for $4,500 on August 22nd, 2021. And what a great day. I was so hyped. At the time, I was like, oh, okay, daily driver in Los Angeles, let's get an automatic. Over the year and a half that I've had my car, I've really been noticing that I want a manual. And so I put that in my plan to convert it to a manual, right? Now the problem is, every penny I've put into this car, fixing it a couple videos ago, and just doing my own things to it, I'm around $8,000 into the car almost. And a manual swap, it's gonna cost me $5,000. I'm already in low E46 M3 territory, price-wise. At that point, it does make more sense to me to kind of save my money, keep this car, drive it while I can, and then eventually upgrade to the E46 M3. I'm guessing in about a year I could have an M3. I've been saving all my money, working really hard, just so that I could finally have a E46 M3 coupe manual 6-speed. And I know that is the most sought after E46 M3, so it kind of sucks, and the prices are still crazy. And so I think that's really where my path is leading right now. But guys, I'm really hoping that through my E46, through what's coming next, this new surprise, that I can get back into the YouTube headspace and really start creating videos for you guys again, because I think that's what we all need. So here we are, guys, in my E46, and really not much has changed, I think, since the last time you guys have seen it. This car is still unbelievably sound after, other than that, I mean, I've had no problems, and I love it so much, I drive it every day. I still have a smile across my face from the feelings that this car gives me. It drives amazing. It handles great. For my little automatic baby, I really couldn't have asked for a better car. I do still love this car with all my heart. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the wrap on my car. I mean, like I said, nothing has changed really since the last time you guys have seen it. I've just been driving it normally, and it's great for what it is, for sure. Now, guys, I do have something super exciting that I want to share with you that is really going to change the course of this channel and kind of add some more excitement. So just a couple weeks ago, my younger brother, Joey, who's 17 years old, saved up enough money after working all summer long for over a year. He saved up his money to buy his dream car, and I'm really excited to show you guys. It's super cool. So yeah, my brother got an E36. So this car is a 1998 328i, and it is in great condition. Now, we have 169,000 miles on the clock, almost 170,000, just like my car, but it is 7 years older than my car. And the previous owners did open up and reseal the entire engine, new head gasket, new everything. So this engine should be good, hopefully, to run for a pretty long while. Now, not only did this 328 include the body kit my brother wanted, which is the E36 M3 body kit, it also has the wheels from the M3, the contour wheels, which are absolutely beautiful. I love those wheels so much, and they look great on this car. This car is titanium silver and is in the coveted 5-speed manual transmission. So as a 1998 328 E36, you're probably wondering how much he bought this car for. Now, it's a factory 5-speed, has the M3 body kit, wheels, super clean inside and out, decently low miles for the year, and a resealed engine. This thing should have gone for a lot of money. How much did my brother end up paying for it? So Joey got this car for $6,500, which is honestly a really good deal for what the other E36s of this quality are going on the market for. Now, $6,500 bucks, 25-year-old car, it does have its imperfections, so I'll go over that right now. First things first, this screen is kind of dodgy and the clock doesn't work, so that's not a huge deal, but that is something to take into account. Now, we got a couple missing trim pieces, like this door handle trim piece. Supposed to look like that, but we don't have the outer part. The notorious E36 glove box sag right down there. Missing the front grille right down here in the M3 bumper. Needs new badges. The M3 wheels aren't in the greatest of condition. They have some curb rash, and we are missing badges on these right side wheels. And then finally, this rear driver's door does have some scratches right down there, has some dings, and then we got a dent right there, a couple more dents up here. Okay guys, so overall, I do not think we did wrong purchasing this car. It does have some minor, mostly cosmetic problems with the car. I mean, nothing really drivetrain wise that's wrong or anything like that. So not a bad deal. Oh my gosh, okay. So that is the E36, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned because we are gonna have some videos on this car, on my car. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.